Hi, I'm Dr. 𝗟𝗏𝗏. I'm the optometrist at our Louisville LasikPlus office. I often get the question, will I need reading glasses after having LASIK? The answer is if you're under the age of 45, no, you will not need reading glasses after LASIK. However, as we age, the crystalline lens inside the eye will lose its ability to bend to keep things in focus if they're less than about an arm's length away. Change in everybody regardless of whether you have had LASIK or not. So patients who have had LASIK will typically need reading glasses after age 45. So in short, if you're not wearing reading glasses or bifocals before LASIK, you will not need them after LASIK. I also get a question, I'm wearing reading glasses now, is there a way of getting rid of those by having LASIK? The answer to that is possibly. The need for reading glasses or bifocals is due to the natural aging process in the lens where it loses its flexibility, as I discussed earlier. LASIK cannot make the lens start bending again. In fact, there's no surgical procedure or medication that can restore the ability for the lens to focus on near objects like your phone or the computer. Here's where the possibly answer comes from. In order to get out of reading glasses or bifocals, we have to basically cheat. I mean by that, we correct one eye for distance vision and one eye for near vision. And we do that successfully on about 86% of our patients over 45. That leaves 14% where we don't approach correction that way. And that's primarily after a thorough evaluation process of determining whether that is something that your brain will adapt to. However, as I stated earlier, the vast majority of our patients do very well with this strategy and are able to perform their daily functions without glasses. A follow-up question to that procedure would be, what if I don't get used to having one eye for far away and one eye for near? If that's the case, then we can retreat the near vision eye and correct it for distance vision and go to reading glasses after that. Keep in mind, however, that it typically takes 2 to 3 months for your brain to fully adapt to this type of correction. And over the last 18 years, we've had to do this second treatment on less than 1% of our patients. So to recap, if you're not wearing reading glasses or bifocals before LASIK, you won't need them afterwards. That is until you reach your mid-40s. If you are wearing reading glasses or bifocals, there's a very good chance we can get rid of those as well. Just give us a call or book an appointment online, and our highly experienced team at LasikPlus will let you know your best options.